I'm just recording the call. Okay.
Okay.
So just to give you a background, that I carry around 21 years of experience as an integrated program manager. I to put it very straightforward, I handled the businesses of around 500 CR.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
what I offer is for the entire business portfolio or the business owners is planning and execution. And if they are doing any contract manufacturing sort of thing, then I'll give services over there, and risk management and the overall business model reviews and the MIS. MIS stands for Managemental Information System, which will be custom built for the specific company. Make sense?
Yeah, got it. Yes.
Yeah. So now what is coming next is I'll going to show, I'll take your 10 minutes of time just to present, and then we can discuss further. This is what is the flow is all about. I'll show you how this entire roadmap looks like. It is at the very broad levels, it is a 20-week plan. And at the high level, I'll explain what will going to happen when. If we what is the risk if we have to get into the details of it. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So in the first 1 to 2 weeks, the input project data collection phase wise from the PIF to launch, when I say PIF or the launch is in your case, it will be like a product information form if you are doing any new product, or launch is about when you will enter the market. That is the first part. And second is ongoing project schedule review and the streamline. Whatever it will be there, we'll just put it into a common structured format. This is the week one, and in between, in first 2 weeks of interaction with you, that I will going to collect this all the input data, which is strictly non-confidential information about the project, excluding your all the IP and all the related things. It will be purely a timeline and the key activity and the execution based information will be collected from here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. From week 3 to week 6 is presenting the pipeline visibility with identified risks, issues to either management or the owners or the decision makers. This all information will be processed and the current pipeline visibility will be presented. That this work and this all what you say slicing, dicing of the data and putting into a framework where it will start making lot of sense and will start drawing the conclusions out of it. That is that will going to happen between third week to 6 weeks. Okay, from 7 to 12 weeks, what we're going to do is, yeah, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So from 7th week to 12th week, here is actually the main part of implementation comes in. First is the milestones, deliverables, activities, and SLA and the RACI consensus with a functional team, wherein here is a lot of effort will going to go from both the end of the team, because it is actually the touch point, wherein we will be aligning with them. When I say SLAs means service level agreement, if they are there in place, will comply to those things. If it is not there, then based on your consensus, we can put in service level agreement for all the activities that whatever it is going to happen over there. And RACI stands for responsible, accountable, concerted and informed. This will be the matrix which will going to put your system into the place, because whoever will going to do what activity and who and all will be dependent will be part of that activity along this escalation matrix will going to come in picture in between 7 to 12 weeks. Am I making sense, or it is
I need to understand how this works. Well, I clear what you are saying, but how it will work, that is yet to be understood.
Okay. So here, what we're going to happen is, we're going to put one system over there, which is like standard proven project management system, and we're going to train your team for the MSP and the Power BI usage. It is always the custom made. Like mean to say, if you want to go for a Microsoft projects, or you are no, I am happy with only Excels and the related dashboards. This is the part wherein at the top end, what I recommend to my all the customers of the business owners is like, if they go for Microsoft projects and the Power BI integration, then there will be a lot of advantage that whatever we're going to get out of those things. However, it can be like we can like step down to the current requirement, to whatever it is currently going. And then the integration, like integrating the MSPs, the Power BI, and the custom dashboards can be generated based on that, or whichever the integration tools we're going to use. And we can put the MIS, and I'll going to give you the live demo of the managemental information system, that whatever needs to come out, or like what information you're going to get out of your existing pipeline, or if you are planning for a new product, the new pipeline, like what will going to come when. Yeah. Do you have any questions?
Not till now. Okay.
Okay. So here, Sumit, what is going to happen is you will going to have a complete roadmap for all the activities which is happening under your like industrial umbrella. Okay. And you will have those, all the activities will be put in such a structured way so that you will have a complete visibility, and you need not spend your lot of time training your team that what they need to do by when. This is as simple as that. How I can make your life simpler is, like, let's say from the, like, today we are on the 11th of November. If on the, like, let's say on the 1st of December, who need to do what? If this is a question, then simple answer would be, I'll be giving you the plan that who will be doing what on 1st of December in your team, which is completely aligned to your business objective.
Okay.
Yeah. Because otherwise what will happen is, most of the, like, I am also like, I know this is my second venture as a like business owner. I know like what is the like owner depression. This is what is like owner depression zone. Like we always get up with a heavy heart that what needs to be done when. Okay, so that can be like really smoothened, and the execution part will be brought in so that we exactly know where we are heading. This is how the things will going to happen. And into this due course, what will going to come out as, once we do this all the heavy lifting from like week 7 to week 12, then we'll have a bi-weekly productivity enhancement showcase to the customer or the business owner, like how it is functioning. That is what will be the, like, this service will be extended from week 13 to week 20. This is what is the overall package. So I took precisely 7 minutes for this.
Yes.